That doesn't look half bad. Ouch, Mom. TMI, Mom. Just loafing around. At least she has one friend. Revenge, Barrettes. Look what you made him do. Airing dirty laundry. A Piggy Photobomb. Don't interrupt. A woman's place. Mama's boy. Keeping it real. A double meaning. It's tough being the oldest.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.